How to find hidden photos and videos on iPhone iOS 18. Now this is a straightforward process, so all you have to do is to go ahead and follow along. Basically, first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your Photos application. And once inside, all you have to do is to go ahead and scroll all the way down. And under utilities, you can then go ahead and see the hidden album. If you cannot go ahead and see it straight away, you can just click on the arrow right beside utilities. From here, you can just go ahead and click on hidden, and you will be able to see your hidden album on iPhone. In case you cannot go ahead and see it, you want to navigate through your system settings, scroll all the way down, and from here you want to click on apps. Inside apps, you want to look for photos, and from here we have this option called show hidden album. You want to make sure that this option is enabled in order for you to go ahead and click on your own hidden album. If this video has been helpful for you, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.